Shit. Guys, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use Saber plugin in Adobe After Effects. So now I'm going to animate something just like that. So now let's get a jump in Adobe After Effects just right now. Okay, let me put my coffee here. Okay, let's go. This is my clip. Okay, so now double click by Ctrl plus D. So now click on this first one, then click on rectangle tool. Just I have to choose this ellipse. Depend on what kind of the shape you are going to mask. Okay, because here I'm going to mask this tile. I have to choose this ellipse tool. So now I'm going to select my title. Okay, so click here, and then I'm going to fit this mask effect well on how my title is. Okay, just to move well. Yes, it's like to draw. Guys, I'm not good in the drawing, sorry. Okay, so for this is enough. Yeah, this is enough for me. Okay, yes, so now let's click here on mask and then click here on track mask. I'm going to track this tile. Okay, so now I'm going to click here on tracker. As you see here, is tracking my tile. As you see here, my video is moving. You see? Yep, done. Guys, you see, those are some keyframes where my mask is affect on this tile. Those are all keyframes. Okay, yep. So now after this, I'm going to click here on effect, then I'm going to search effect called Saber. If you don't have Saber, guys, you can just download on the internet. It's free. Just you can click Saber plugin for Adobe After Effects. Just will get it. So now drag here on your this timeline. So now choose this Saber into layer mask here on customize color. Okay, you see here my effect is already affected those keyframes. Okay, so now my car is disappeared. Click here on render setting, then click here on black, just click here on transparent. Okay, my car is already there. Yep, you see my effect is already attached on my tiles. Yeah, so now guys, for here on this preset you can choose whatever you want. You can choose color. This is color. You can choose fog. Yeah, those are many presets you can choose which will be better for you. You can choose any preset you want. Okay, but now for me, no, this is not good for me. Let me add another. Let me just add this color. Okay, yeah, this color is cool. Okay, So now I'm going to animate this core preset. For this, I'm going to put a 0 here on start size, on customize core. Okay, so now I have to click here on the beginning of my effect, then click here on mask evolution. Already I add a frame. So now go here on the end of my effect. So now I'm going to spin this core anytime I want. You can just spin whatever time you want. Okay, already the second keyframe is added on my last effect. So now I'm going to reduce this growth speed, split this bias and this core size. Just depend on how the look, depend on any look you want. Yeah. So now let me play. Yo guys, this is very simple. My effect is already done. Yeah guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and drop your comment down. And if you have any question about editing, Premiere Pro, After Effects, shooting, just like that, leave your comment down below and let me know what you think. See you in next video.